Based on the result of observation and interview that we did, we obtained a condition that saw a decrease in tourist visit in Central Java particular and Indonesia in general. This was due to the direct impact of COVID-19 pandemic, which had an impact on the decline in the number of tourists both domestic and foreign, which every year driving the growth of the tourism sector has been hit back and require mutual attention, both from the stakeholder as well as a team of creators who overall tourism design. The decrease was due to the cancellation of tourist trips, reached 74% in 2020. The decline in the tourism sector, it turned out, can be responded significantly by the technology sector. The changing factor is blockchain. The presence of technology as a blockchain opens a new discourse in storing and using data, including offering tourism program virtually. Regarding the concept of a single tourism which has been a destination, it will actually weaken the great potential of the Borobudur Temple from economic potential to spiritual potential. In the end, every tourist doesn't last long because they only visit Borobudur without choosing another destination. So starting this year, there will be a major overhaul that we will do in area around the Borobudur Temple. The cultural aspect is the starting point for the step we take. The new Order Borobudur Temple, we will develop around 330 hectares of land at several points, plus the arrangement of the area around the Borobudur Temple, starting from the development of eco-cultural tourism covering an area of 309 hectares. Then, there is the construction of semi-market and parking area of 10.74 hectares, the construction of Science Park covering an area of 3.3 hectares, and the construction of a 2-kilometer long boardwalk that will stretch from Mendu Temple to Borobudur Temple and will cross the Eloprogo River. The infrastructure development will strengthen the concept of structuring that we are currently doing in the area or village around the Borobudur Temple. If recently you have had a picnic to Borobudur Temple, you must have also stopped by Swarga Bumi, Puntuk Setumbu, and traveled around the village by VW Park. In the study, the occurrence of integrating marketing tourism is indicated by a more comprehensive dimension, which is integration of research capabilities, institutional learning capabilities, corporate culture awareness, sustaining technological capability, social engagement capability, and supply chain capability.